Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you an awesome stack up freeze frame transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. This effect is super dynamic and works great for fast-paced edits, so let's get started. First we'll prepare our clips. On the second clip we'll create our freeze frame, so we place the cursor at the beginning. We can use the pen tool to mask it out, but in this case I'll show you a more efficient and faster way. So first we want to take a screenshot of the first frame of our clip. To do that, click on the camera icon. If you don't see it, click on the plus icon, find the camera and drag it here. Now, click on it and save the image. Rename it to whatever you want. I'll name it freeze frame and then click OK. Now, we'll go to a website called Remove Background. I'll leave the link in the description. This is not a paid promotion, it's completely free and it's my favorite tool for quickly and easily creating a mask automatically for us. Click on Upload Image, then find the screenshot you saved from Premiere Pro on your computer, select the image and click Open. Now wait for the background to be removed. Since we're doing a stack-up transition, we'll need to mask out two objects. First, click on Erase Restore. Click Erase and remove Lil Durk's head, leaving only his body for the mask. Wait for a moment, and if you're happy with the result, click Close. You'll have two options, Download and Download HD. Download is completely free without any sign-up required, while the HD version is paid. However, you get one free download of the HD version. The free version will be enough for us. Now let's go back and do the same thing, but this time in reverse. We'll keep the head and erase the body. Once we're happy with the result, click Close again, and then click Download. Now that we have our two masked out objects ready, let's head back to Premiere Pro. Press Command or Control I to import our two masked out objects. Select them and click Import. Then find them in the project panel and drag both of them right above the second clip. Here you can see that we need to resize the masked out objects to fully cover the original Lil Durk. So head over to the Effect Controls panel and adjust the size to enlarge them. To make sure we don't mix up our two masked out objects, let's rename them for clarity. Right click on each one, select Rename, and name them Body and Head. Now select both of the masked out objects and drag them directly to the end of the first clip. Here we can see Lil Durk's freeze frame without any effects. The head and body objects are each 10 frames long, but we'll extend the adjustment layer with the body to 15 frames. Now, let's move to the Effects panel and select Transform. Apply it to both the body and head objects. Next, click on the body object and go to the Effect Controls panel. Scroll down and on the first frame, toggle the position to set a keyframe. Then move forward by about 9 to 10 frames and toggle the position keyframe again. After that, go back to the start, click on the keyframe and move the body object off screen. Finally, select both keyframes, right-click, go to Temporal Interpolation, and choose Ease Out. Don't forget to uncheck the box and change the shutter angle to 200. Now, you can see that we've completed the first freeze frame transition. We'll repeat the same process for the head. Select the head object, go to Effect Controls, scroll down to Transform, and follow the keyframing steps. With your playhead, move 3 frames forward and toggle a position keyframe. Then move almost to the end of the clip and create a second position keyframe, placing it at the very end. Now, go back to the first keyframe, click on it, and move Lil Durk's head completely off screen. Next, move the playhead to the middle of the animation and create another keyframe by moving the head slightly upward, but not completely off the screen. At this point, we can clearly see the stack-up effect in action. But we're not done just yet. Finally, select all keyframes, right-click, go to Temporal Interpolation, and choose Ease Out for a smooth motion again. Don't forget to uncheck the box and change the shutter angle to only 100. Now move to the beginning of the head object and toggle a keyframe for rotation. Then go to the very end of the clip and change the rotation value to -360. Once again, select both keyframes, right-click, go to Temporal Interpolation, and choose Ease Out for a smoother animation. Here you can see a clean stack-up freeze frame effect. Most people create this transition in After Effects, but I wanted to show you how to do it directly in Premiere Pro. To spice things up, we can add a shake effect. Click on New Item and select Adjustment Layer. Then drag the adjustment layer between the two clips, positioning it about 1 frame before the center. I usually keep the adjustment layer for the shake effect between 6 to 8 frames long. I'll be using the diagonal shake from my own preset pack, Shake Cut, but you can use any shake effect you prefer. Now you can see that this adds a more polished and dynamic look to the transition. The shake effect helps blend everything together seamlessly, making the stack up freeze frame feel more natural and engaging. Want to level up your edits and save tons of time? My Shake Cut preset pack is here to make your workflow effortless. It's a simple drag and drop solution, not just for freeze frame transitions, you'll get over 25 unique ones, but also shakes, fast movements, hits, and even LUTs. And the best part? For 1 week only, you can get 30% off. Just use the code FreezeFrame at checkout and take your edits to the next level. Don't miss out. So, how do you use Shake Cut? First, remove the transform effect from both the body and head, since that was the focus of this tutorial. After that, it's super simple. Go to the effects panel, search for Shake Cut, and you'll see everything clearly labeled, including recommendations on how long your adjustment layers should be for the best results. Just drag and drop the effect you want and you're good to go. For this demo, I'm choosing Perspective Transitions from Shake Cut. If you'd like to try Shake Cut for yourself, I also have a free version available for download. You'll find all the links to my website and presets down in the description. And with the full version, you also get a detailed tutorial on how to use Shake Cut step by step, so even complete beginners can start using it right away. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.